For years, the camera industry has been hiding a massive secret, leaving a devastating void in the gearbags of wildlife, sports, and action photographers. Ever since the legendary Nikon D500 was discontinued, professionals and high-end enthusiasts have been begging for a true, uncompromising crop sensor powerhouse. Instead, manufacturers tried to push everyone toward heavy, expensive full-frame bodies or entry-level plastic toys. But the wait is officially over because a massive internal leak from Japan has just exposed the holy grail of APS-C mirrorless technology. Nikon is about to drop a total market disruptor that is being called the Mini Z9, a camera so aggressive in its specifications that it is designed to completely obliterate the competition and force Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm entirely back to the drawing board. If you have been holding onto your cash waiting for the ultimate hybrid wildlife and action rig, you need to watch every single second of this video because the newly leaked details change absolutely everything about the digital imaging market. Welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for the absolute sharpest, most authentic tech breakdowns and early hardware leaks on the planet. Today we are unpacking the explosive reality of the highly anticipated Nikon Z90, exploring the industry-shifting hardware upgrades, the radical software integration, and exactly when you can get your hands on this beast. At the absolute core of this leaked monster is a completely redesigned 33-megapixel DX format sensor. Now, for the uninitiated, 33 megapixels on an APS-C crop sensor is the absolute sweet spot for high-resolution wildlife and sports tracking. It gives you an insane amount of cropping flexibility while providing that critical 1.5 times crop factor reach, essentially turning your standard 400mm lens into a staggering 600mm equivalent without losing a single millimeter of physical lens elements. But the real bombshell hiding within this sensor architecture is that it is rumored to be a partially stacked or fully stacked CMOS design. This means rolling shutter distortion is officially dead. When you are panning fast to track a falcon diving out of the sky or a Formula One car whipping around a corner, straight lines will stay perfectly straight, completely eliminating the jello effect that has plagued high-resolution crop sensors for a generation. To drive a sensor this advanced, Nikon is implementing its flagship X7 processor, unlocking computational photography capabilities that were previously restricted to $5,000 flagship bodies. The continuous burst shooting speeds leaked from prototype testing are nothing short of breathtaking. We are looking at a blisteringly fast 15 frames per second utilizing the robust mechanical shutter, which is perfect for maintaining absolute pure analog precision. But once you switch over to the electronic shutter, the Z90 transforms into an absolute machine gun, capable of firing up to a mind-blowing 120 frames per second in specialized crop formats, completely blackout-free. You will never miss the exact millisecond a baseball impacts a bat or a predator strikes its prey. But raw speed is absolutely worthless if your camera cannot hit focus, and that is where the Z90 takes a massive, devastating swing at the competition. Nikon has pulled its deep learning AI autofocus algorithms straight from the flagship Z9 and baked them right into this compact body. The subject tracking is incredibly sticky, utilizing specialized 3D tracking modes that instantly recognize, lock onto, and track human eyes, birds in flight, erratic wildlife, aircraft, trains, and motor vehicles. Even if a bird dips behind branches or an athlete momentarily turns their back to the lens, the AI processing core calculates subject trajectory in real time, keeping the focus box absolutely glued to the target. Combined with a highly advanced in-body image stabilization system offering up to several stops of vibration reduction, you can confidently shoot tack-sharp images handheld at ridiculously low shutter speeds. While photographers are celebrating the return of the D500 legacy, filmmakers are getting an absolute shock. Following Nikon's massive, industry-rattling acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, the Z90 is heavily rumored to be the first compact hybrid body to fully inherit Hollywood grade DNA. The internal video capabilities are a total nuclear option for the industry. The leaks point to uncropped, oversampled 4K video at up to 60 frames per second in glorious 10-bit internal color depth, providing pristine, razor-sharp video packages directly to your memory cards. But the absolute showstopper is the rumored integration of 12-bit internal REDCODE RAW video capture at 6K resolutions. This is a feature that cinematographers have spent thousands of dollars on external recorders and cinema rigs to achieve, and now it is reportedly coming right inside a standard, compact weather-sealed camera body. The color science alone will completely transform how independent creators shoot cinematic content, delivering unmatched dynamic range and color grading flexibility that makes rival cameras look archaic. In terms of physical design, Nikon is treating the Z90 like a professional tool, not a consumer toy. The body is expected to be carved from a highly rugged magnesium alloy chassis, featuring the exact same top-tier weather sealing and dust protection found on high-end full-frame systems, making it ready to survive torrential downpours on safari or freezing conditions at a winter stadium. It will sport a high-resolution, ultra-bright electronic viewfinder with zero lag, ensuring your tracking experience is completely natural and immersive. It also features dual card slots, providing instant real-time backup for critical assignments, ensuring that a corrupted card will never ruin a professional shoot. So, what is the catch, and when can you actually buy this market-shattering hybrid beast? The camera industry has been incredibly secretive, but global production roadmaps and component supply chains indicate that the official announcement and launch window for the Nikon Z90 is firmly locked for the mid to late stretch of this year. Because Nikon has been heavily prioritizing its specialized cinema hardware lines and optical engineering over the past several months, the development of the stills-focused flagship was kept deep underground to avoid cannibalizing full-frame sales. But the final production prototypes have already been approved, and field testing is actively wrapping up. When it comes to pricing, this is where Nikon is going to absolutely disrupt the entire digital imaging landscape. The leaked target price for the Nikon Z90 is hovering right around the $2,000 mark for the body alone. When you consider that you are getting the speed, autofocus intelligence, and build quality of a flagship camera, paired with revolutionary cinema capabilities, this pricing structure positions the Z90 as the absolute undisputed king of price-to-performance ratio in the modern era. It undercuts heavy full-frame alternatives while offering drastically superior speed and reach for specialized shooters. This camera is not just an incremental refresh, it is a definitive declaration of war against competing mid-range and high-end systems. It bridges the massive gap in the DX mirrorless lineup and proves that the crop sensor format is a premier choice for high-speed tracking. If you are a dedicated wildlife enthusiast, a fast-paced sports creator, or a filmmaker looking for the ultimate compact cinema tool, the Z90 is shaping up to be the most critical release of the year. Make sure to smash that subscribe button to TechVibe right now and turn on all notifications so you never miss a single piece of breaking camera news or hardware leaks. Drop a comment down below and let us know if you are saving your cash for the Z90 or sticking with your current system. Thank you for watching TechVibe, stay ahead of the curve, and we will see you in the very next breakdown.